Hey guys, happy Thanksgiving. Yes, I know you guys are wondering, did she record this look for me? Yes, I did. Not only did I record this look for you guys, but I also recorded how I installed my beautiful curly lace front wig. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and don't forget to eat for me, because I won't be having a Thanksgiving, sadly. But you guys have fun and be safe, and just make sure you have a good time with your families and loved ones, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And I love you all. I purchased this wig from Amazon. I also went ahead and added an elastic band for extra security. It came pre-plucked, but I plucked it a little bit more to my liking. I really don't do anything special to my wigs. I just lay down my edges, and once I'm done, I spray it with the freezer spray. Then I tie it down because I love to be able to get home and take off my wig once my day is over. Yeah, I don't do anything special. Now onto the makeup. I will list all the products that I've used in the video in the description bar below. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and honestly, the video is very easy to follow. Yeah, so thank you so much guys for watching, and enjoy the rest of the video. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will see you guys in the next one.